In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain in Base44. We'll start by going to Base44. Once you're on the platform, head into your main workspace so you can access the apps connected to your account. If you manage multiple projects, this is where you'll be able to find the one you want to update. From there, click on All Apps. This will open the full list of projects available in your workspace. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the correct app, especially if you have several with similar names or if you're working across different environments. Next, select your project and open the app editor. This is the area where you manage the app's settings, configuration, and connected services. Opening the correct editor is important because domain settings are configured at the app level. Once you're inside the editor, click on Dashboard. The dashboard gives you a central view of your app and is usually the easiest place to navigate to the settings you need. If you're new to Base44, think of this as the control center for your project. After that, click on Domains. This section is where Base44 lets you manage domain-related settings for your app. Here, you'll usually find options for both app domains and email domain settings, so it's helpful to move carefully and make sure you're in the right section. Now scroll down and look for the email domain area. Even though you're connecting a custom domain, this page may contain multiple domain-related sections, so scrolling helps you locate the specific option you need. If the page feels busy, just go slowly and look for the custom domain prompt. Once you find it, click on Use your custom domain. This is the option that begins the connection process. Base44 will then guide you toward linking a domain that you already own, rather than using a default platform-provided address. Finally, connect your custom domain. At this stage, you'll typically enter your domain details and follow the prompts shown on screen. Make sure the domain is spelled correctly because even a small typo can cause connection issues. Also keep in mind that domain changes can sometimes take a little time to fully update, so if it doesn't work instantly, that can be normal. And that's it. Once your custom domain is connected, your Base44 app will have a more professional and branded web presence. If you're following along, just take your time with each screen, and you should be able to complete the setup smoothly.